I want to return this.
What seems to be the issue?
I bought the wrong flavor.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
When did you purchase this item?
It was yesterday afternoon.
Is the item unopened?
Yes, it is still sealed.
Did you use a credit card?
No, I paid with cash.
Do you want a refund or an exchange?
I would prefer a refund, please.
Can you confirm the price on the receipt?
It says the $5.50.
Is this your signature on the receipt?
No, I don't recall signing anything.
Oh, this section is for a different transaction.
Is the Box Original receipt shots available?
This is the only receipt I have.
Where did you purchase this?
Right here at this store.
Do you have any identification?
Why do you need my ID?
It's standard procedure for returns.
Here is my A driver's license.
Thank you. What is your phone number?
Why do you need my number?
Just in case we need to contact you.
It's 5513.
May I see the item again?
It's this box of cereal.
The expiration date looks fine.
I know, it's just the flavor.
What flavor did you intend to buy?
I wanted the honey nuttin' variety.
And this one is the cinnamon swirl.
Yes, that's correct.
Do you have the original packaging?
Yes, the box is so intact.
Are all the contents inside?
I haven't opened it at all.
Was this item on sale?
I don't believe so.
We only offer store credit for sale items.
But it wasn't on sale.
Let me check the system.
What does the system say?
It appears it was a promotional price.
Does that mean I can't get cash back?
Unfortunately, only the store credit sheet.
How much is the store credit?
The full purchase amount, $5.50.
Can I use the credit today?
Absolutely right away.
Do you have the honey nut flavor in stock?
Let me look for you.
Where is the cereal aisle?
It's just over there, aisle 3.
I see the honey nut cereal.
Is the price the same?
It looks like it is $6.
So I owe you 50 cents more?
That is correct.
Can I pay the difference with cash?
Yes, that works perfectly.
Would you like a bag for the new item?
No, thank you, I can carry it.
Here is your store credit voucher.
How do I use this?
Just give it to the cashier at checkout.
Can I use it for anything in the store?
Yes, anything at all.
Is there an expiry date on the voucher?
It's valid for 1 year.
What if I lose the voucher?
We can look it up with your ID.
Can I get a new receipt for this exchange?
Certainly, here it is.
Does this receipt show the store credit use?
Yes, it details the whole transaction.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
Do you need anything else today?
No, I think that's everything.
Have a nice rest of your day.
You too, goodbye.
Is your manager available?
Is there a further issue?
No, I just wanted to compliment your service.
Oh, thank you very much.
You handled that professionally.
I appreciate you saying that.
Where can I leave a review?
You can visit our website.
What is the website address?
It's on the bottom of your receipt.
I see it now. Thank you again.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new cereal.
I will. Thanks.
Have a safe trip home.
I only live nearby.
That's convenient.
It certainly is.
Is the store closing soon?
We are open for 8 another 2 hours.
Do you have a loyalty program?
Yes, would you like to sign up?
What are the benefits?
Discounts and special offers.
How do I enroll?
I can do it right here.
I just need your email address.
It's exampleemail.com.
And your name, please?
It's Sarah Johnson.
You are all set in the system.
Will I get a card?
Yes, it will be mailed to you.
How long does that take?
About 7 to 10 business days.
Can I use the benefits today?
Not until you get the physical card.
I understand. Thank you.
Is the loyalty program free?
Yes, there is no charge.
Are there any annual fees?
No, it's completely free.
Is my data kept private?
Absolutely. We comply with all laws.
Can I unsubscribe later?
Of course, at any time.
Thank you for the information.
My pleasure.
One last thing. Do you sell batteries?
Yes, they are in aisle 5.
Are they near the toys?
No, they are near the electronics.
Do you have the AA size?
We have all standard sizes.
Great. I'll go look for them.
Let me know if you can't find them.
I will. Thanks again.
You bet.
Is the coffee fresh today?
Yes, we brewed a new pot.
Where is the coffee station?
Near the entrance on the left.
Do you have any pastries?
They are next to the coffee.
Are they baked in store?
Yes, every morning.
Which one do you recommend?
The blueberry muffin is popular.
I might grab one on the way out.
They are delicious.
Is the store well stocked today?
We just finished a big restock.
That's good to hear.
We try our best.